TikTok is full of fun, different recipes from all over the world. Today we're going to test out the TikTok viral tortilla egg bake in the Blackstone E-Series pizza oven. Now you can make this in any one of the Blackstone pizza ovens or even the air fryer, and you can even use your Blackstone griddle to cook up any of the fillings you want to add to yours at home. Let me show you how to make a quick and easy bacon, egg, and cheese tortilla bake. This tortilla quiche bake is great because as long as you have burrito-sized tortillas and eggs, you can really use anything else you want or need to use up from the fridge with this one. We'll set our E-Series oven to 350 on bake. Set up your air fryer or a pizza oven or regular kitchen oven to the same temp, and using a round baking pan, simply lay your burrito-sized tortilla in, making sure the edges are standing up to hold in our 3 eggs. To them, you'll add a few scoops of cottage cheese. If you're not used to using cottage cheese, believe me, this is going to make our eggs super fluffy and creamy, and it adds a lot of protein as well. Black pepper and salt go in, then whisk this gently to combine, and now you'll add anything else you want to this, layered on top of each other. I have cherry tomatoes. We'll slice them and add them all throughout this. Some purple onions as well. And then I have leftover crumbled bacon. I cut up a package of bacon every single Sunday or Monday, griddle it up on the Blackstone, and stick it in my fridge to use throughout the week for different things from breakfast or lunch or salads for dinner. I'll add a handful of fresh spinach, then freshly shredded mozzarella cheese, load it up all over the top, an extra sprinkle of salt and pepper to season, and then in to spin it goes. We check this throughout just to keep an eye on it, making sure that everything is cooking nicely, and in 12 minutes it's done. I want to allow this to sit for 5 to 10 minutes to cool slightly, as if it's going to cool at all, because it's literally 100 degrees out here. You can hear the kids playing in the pool. But to ensure our eggs are set and the cheese doesn't pour out when we slice into it, we allow this to sit just before cutting this into little wedges. These are really perfect for any meal, any time of the day out of your Blackstone, but I'm thinking brunch, a crowd, even having these prepped ahead of baking if you needed to on a holiday morning, or do it yourself setup for like a get together with your friends. Add some mimosas and Bloody Marys. The eggs in here are so fluffy. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. It is definitely a new family style favorite, so be sure to make it, post it, and tag Blackstone products so we can see you recreating this one along with all of the other recipes that we share on the YouTube channel. Make sure you're shopping blackstoneproducts.com for apparel, tank tops, t-shirts, and griddlenation.com. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait to see you guys next week for another family style favorite.